Are you struggling with stubborn weight that just won't budge? Irregular, weird periods? Or acne? PCOS affects millions of women, yet many don't even realize that they have it. Today we're breaking down what PCOS is, what causes it, and the best natural strategies to heal and manage your symptoms. Hi, I'm Dr. Jess Bilger, the Health and Beauty Doc. I'm here to simplify your journey to better health and beauty with science-backed tips and natural solutions. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for weekly videos that help you feel your best inside and out. So what is PCOS? PCOS, or Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, is one of the most common hormonal disorders affecting women of reproductive age. It's not just about ovarian cysts. It's a complex metabolic and endocrine condition that can lead to irregular menstrual cycles, acne, weight gain, and fertility issues. It can also cause weird symptoms like excessive hair growth in places like the upper lip, chin, chest, abdomen, and back. PCOS affects nearly 1 in 10 women, yet it often goes undiagnosed for years. Understanding what's happening in the body is the first step to taking control of your health and addressing the hormone imbalances. If any of these symptoms sound familiar, let me know in the comments. Your story could help someone else going through the same thing. PCOS is driven by a combination of hormonal imbalances, genetic factors, and lifestyle influences. Here are some of the primary culprits. Insulin resistance is often the most important contributor to PCOS. Insulin resistance occurs when the body's cells become less responsive to insulin, causing the pancreas to produce even more insulin. This excess insulin not only leads to blood sugar imbalances, but also stimulates the ovaries to produce more testosterone, contributing to symptoms like acne, excessive hair growth, and weight gain. But what causes insulin resistance? Carbs and sugar. Diets high in carbohydrates, which includes sugar, exacerbate this condition by continually spiking insulin levels, creating a cycle that worsens hormone imbalances. Over time, unchecked insulin resistance can lead to prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, and further metabolic complications, which is why managing insulin resistance and blood sugar is a crucial aspect of treating PCOS. Another cause of PCOS, which is often due to insulin resistance, is elevated androgens, or male hormones. Androgens, particularly testosterone, disrupt ovulation, causing irregular periods and even ovarian cysts. Androgens also contribute to many of the most frustrating PCOS symptoms, like the weird excessive hair growth I mentioned earlier. This excessive hair growth is due to the heightened sensitivity of hair follicles to testosterone. Additionally, elevated androgens can lead to increased sebum production, which is the natural oily substance produced by the skin, resulting in persistent acne, particularly along the cheek, forehead, and jawline. Low-grade inflammation in the body also plays a significant role in PCOS by contributing to both insulin resistance and hormone imbalances. When the body is in a constant state of inflammation, it produces higher levels of cytokines, which are inflammatory markers. These markers often interfere with insulin signaling and worsen blood sugar regulation in the body. This inflammatory response also disrupts the endocrine system, leading to the increased production of androgens. Factors such as poor diet and lifestyle, chronic stress, environmental toxins, and an unhealthy gut microbiome can all fuel inflammation. Next, we have environmental toxins. Endocrine disruptors found in plastics, pesticides, household cleaners, and personal care products can significantly interfere with hormone balance as well. These chemicals, such as BPA, phthalates, and parabens, mimic estrogen in the body, which wreak havoc on your hormones. Reducing exposure to toxins by switching to clean beauty and skincare products, using glass instead of plastic for food storage, and eating organic whenever possible can help minimize the effects of these hormone-disrupting chemicals. Lastly, if women in your family have PCOS, you may be more likely to develop it as well. Although genetics can play a role, it's not the most important factor to the development of PCOS. So how is PCOS actually diagnosed? It's usually a combination of symptoms, lab tests, and ultrasounds. There's typically 3 key diagnostic criteria. The first is irregular or absent periods. This is a sign that ovulation isn't happening regularly and that your hormones are off. The second is high androgens. Symptoms of high androgens include excess facial or body hair and acne. High androgens can also be revealed in blood test results with elevated testosterone and DHEA levels. The last criteria is the presence of polycystic ovaries. Although not everyone with PCOS will develop ovarian cysts, an ovarian ultrasound may reveal multiple small follicles or cysts in the ovaries. You only need to meet 2 of these criteria to be diagnosed with PCOS. However, even if you're not formally diagnosed with full-fledged PCOS, you still may be battling some of the symptoms, and the ways to fix them are still the same. Since other conditions can mimic PCOS, doctors may also test for thyroid disorders and adrenal issues at the same time. Now, before I cover various integrative strategies to help fix PCOS, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more videos that help break down complex health topics into easy-to-understand tips. It helps this information reach more people who can benefit from it. Now let's talk about the integrative health strategies to actually manage and heal PCOS. First and foremost, managing insulin resistance is the most important thing in reversing PCOS. A low-carb or ketogenic diet is highly effective in stabilizing blood sugar levels by reducing the body's reliance on insulin. If you have PCOS, I recommend eating less than 30 grams of net carbs daily, which is the total carbs minus the grams of fiber. This will help your body transition to burning fat for fuel instead of glucose. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that are rich in protein, such as grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, and pasture-raised eggs, along with healthy fats like avocados and olive oil. Definitely avoid processed carbs, refined sugars, and sugary beverages, as these all rapidly spike blood sugar, leading to more insulin production and worsening hormone imbalances. You can also incorporate fiber-rich, non-starchy vegetables, like cruciferous vegetables, that can also help slow glucose absorption and improve gut health. If you want a super simple approach that also helps get rid of carbs entirely, and is a more strict implementation of the keto diet, I'd highly recommend doing a dairy-free version of the carnivore diet that consists of red meats, eggs, and fish, as this will massively help hormone regulation and help you heal your PCOS. There are also certain nutrients that are essential for hormone balance that can be obtained through either food or supplementation. The first important nutrient is magnesium, which is found in foods like dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and avocados, and it helps regulate blood sugar levels and reduce stress. Inositol, particularly myo-inositol and dechiro-inositol, has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and support ovulation. A great low-carb natural source of it comes from citrus fruits, animal livers, and cruciferous vegetables, but it's also often taken in supplement form for therapeutic doses. Zinc also plays an important role because it supports ovarian function and reduces inflammation. It can be found in high doses in beef, lamb, pork, chicken, eggs, oysters, pumpkin seeds, and various nuts. Omega-3 fatty acids are also important to incorporate because they reduce inflammation and balance hormones. Omega-3 fatty acids are abundant in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, as well as flax seeds and walnuts. Ensuring adequate intake of all these key nutrients can help restore hormonal balance and support overall metabolic health. Another strategy to improve PCOS is reduce chronic stress. Stress raises cortisol levels, which can further disrupt your hormones. Practices like prayer, deep breathing, and prioritizing sleep can make a huge difference. It's also important to limit your exposure to hormone-disrupting chemicals by switching to clean beauty and skincare products, using glass instead of plastic for food storage, and eating organic when possible. Your gut microbiome also plays a crucial role in hormone regulation. Probiotic-rich foods like sauerkraut and kefir can help support and feed beneficial gut bacteria. Regular daily exercise is a powerful tool for managing PCOS, as it helps improve insulin sensitivity, reduces inflammation, and supports hormone balance. Strength training is also beneficial as it helps build muscle, which increases metabolic rate and also improves glucose regulation. Walking, swimming, and yoga are also excellent low-impact options that can reduce stress. A well-rounded exercise routine that includes both resistance training and moderate movement can help regulate cycles, improve your mood, and promote long-term metabolic health to fix PCOS. So how are you going to help yourself heal from PCOS? What tangible changes are you going to make to your daily routine? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you better understand PCOS, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. And if you want to learn more about hormone health, check out my playlist that covers other topics relating to balancing your hormones naturally. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you never miss a video. Here's to feeling your best inside and out.